What is this? Time is getting late. No one has came. I'm keeping all these idiots with me, right? I should scold myself first. I'm never gonna make it. What? Why is the light on in that room? Is there any people there? Hey,
Yes, brother.
why are you late, man? You are advising them. Timing is very important.
We didn't say anything. You only said.
I came here early, man.
We go to temple, brother.
What? Temple?
We are going to steal for the first time in the house. What will do, brother? That's why we go and pray the God.
Hey, what are you doing?
Brother, if we leave any evidence here, it will be dangerous for us, okay? We have to take every step careful.
You are so smart, guys. How much brain? Huh? Hey,
hello, bro.
Why are you so late, man? I told you already you should not be late. The timing is very important. I told you to come by 2:30, but you came just 2:32.
Not like that, bro. It's slightly.
Then okay, fine. That is the house. Let's go before someone come and let's clean the house.
Okay, bro.
Okay. Hey, come on, man. Let's go.
You go, brother. Hey,
Hey,
Come on.
come on.
Hey, it's not locked. Just insert your finger inside that. Hey, what are you trying to do, man? Hey, what?
Wait.
Shit, I should go first.
Come on. Go, you go first. Go, brother, go first.
Push me, man. We just came to steal something.
sorry.
Be quiet. Why are you doing like this? Oh, man.
sorry, brother.
Go that side.
Careful, brother, careful. Hey, guys, come first.
Brother, are you going to fight?
Not for fight, man. I have to be careful. Look at many tables are there. My dhoti will get stuck, that's why. Get lost.
Just kidding.
Nonsense, fellow. It should be happened really, man.
Plates are here. I think we reached the kitchen. God's fruit. Oh.
Hey, what are you doing?
Brother, they are looking partiality to these gods. What kind of people they are?
What should we do now then?
We will eat this fruit. Catch it. Hey, you. It's not for you. It's only for us. What is this? God's calendar. What is this? Oh.
Hey man, what are you doing? Get lost. Why man?
Brother, it's been long time since I had a flag
Nothing
in my
is necessary.
heart.
Get away.
Hey, brother. You can open the door slowly, right? Look at him. Go.
What could be here? What? Nothing's here. Something should be here.
This is the thing. Brother, this is full of money.
Hey bro, what are you bro? Hey, this is hard disk. What is this bro?
Artist, which artist is that?
Brother, just leave me brother. Get lost.
I think something should be here.
Thinking yes. Bro, there is nothing more than Apple here.
Apple, where?
Bro, here bro. Apple laptop.
Apple laptop?
Bro,
What, man?
the sound will come only after turning it on. What is this? Get away. Bro, get away bro. Go. Go bro.
What is this? Why is it stuck here? I can't remove it. Oh. Why there is so many holes? Okay, I will eat this banana. Why it's not coming out? Oh my god, it's very difficult. Who can open from the top? Bottom is also open now. It's good. Hey, what they are doing there?
Hey, what is there inside?
Bathroom, bro.
Oh my god. 1 minute.
Brother, don't go. Urine also. Evidence here.
Okay, go.
Get lost man.
Hey,
Go.
come fast, come fast.
Guys.
What is this?
What is this dude?
Bro,
Brother, what happened?
brother.
What is this here?
I don't know what is this. There is nothing here, right?
Yeah,
Else? So small. Hey, tell me who did this? I know who it is.
Hey, don't talk unnecessarily. Find the mug first.
Hey, what happened at the hunting place?
Hey, shut up. First, find the brother first.
Brother? Brother?
Hey, my leg got stuck, man.
Keep quiet man.
I will go and see.
Go and see what it is.
Oh my god. Hey. At least
brother,
you come
I'm
and
coming.
help me, man.
Brother,
Yeah,
give me a
come
place.
on.
Brother,
What?
it's a toilet, bro. Your leg stuck in toilet. It's not coming out, brother.
Oh shit. For that, why he's doing like that?
He is not seen only your leg, brother.
I got that. Who the hell gave permission to him to see that?
Bro,
What?
first remove your leg from this toilet bro. Soon bro.
Oh, yes, right.
Brother, remove your leg, please.
Soon.
Regarding rituals, this is the place for cupboard, not for toilet. Why they kept this here?
Brother,
Get
come,
out.
let's go.
Here.
Come on, I'm trying.
Go. Hey, come.
Oh my god. Be careful, bro.
What is inside?
Nothing inside this. It's in upstairs. Nothing here, man. It's upstairs. Not here, man. In the upstairs.
Go away.
Hey. Momo, I will go first.
Oh my god.
Come behind me.
Thank God, finally we reached kitchen. What is this? Empty box. My nose is broken. This one is locked.
What are you doing?
Electric stove, brother.
What power plant?
Induction stove.
Oh.
Now you are understood?
What kind of power is this? Is it a booster?
It's a doll.
Nonsense, fellow. Just search the money, man.
Oh, okay, brother.
Oh my god, it's chili powder.
What is this? Brother, sugar is more salty.
Hey, that is salt. You idiot. Shit, they are crazy peoples.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Hey, what are you gonna do now?
I am going to cook. You want omelette or half boil?
Hey. We came here by trusting them. I lost hope of getting money.
Yes, dude. They are fighting for food. There must be really idiots.
It will take time to cook omelette. So you better go for half boil, I think.
Put it.
Bro,
What?
we have to steal money, bro. Please remember that.
Huh? Hey, who gave you the right to steal? Bro, don't cry, bro. What is that? Bro is crying.
Bro, sorry, bro.
Brother,
bro.
don't cry, brother.
Sir.
Please.
Hey, sorry, bro.
Brother, sorry, brother.
Please.
Sorry.
Apologies accepted. Go.
Shit. Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Nonsense.
Sorry, bro.
Not mine.
Sorry.
Hey, don't crush it, man. Who's this?
Slowly. We are following you. What are you doing, brother?
Hey,
Go.
man.
Just
You
go,
should
brother.
respect me.
Okay.
You should go to this room.
Okay,
You
bro.
should go to that room. I will go to this room.
Hey, come, let's go.
Oh my god. It's really dark. Be careful.
Slowly open.
We might get catch.
Open.
Oh my god. It's a staircase. They didn't build that properly. This means I just got fall.
Hey, what are you looking there?
Hey,
open.
what was there?
Here
inside
also
that?
toilet, brother.
Oh my god, all these are bathrooms. What is he doing with the door? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, go.
Brother, there is light
I
inside.
saw that it's in downstairs itself. What are you searching in one place itself? What are you searching here in the same place? Come inside. No one is there. What? There is only one shelf is there. Will be there money in that? I found the Lord Kubera here. Mr. Lord Kubera, please, I need some money. Help me out. Please, I'm your kid.
Bro, what are you doing?
Can't you see? I'm praying to Kubera.
Hey, get lost, man.
yeah.
Go and search
Go,
for
man.
something.
He's very
Not
powerful.
doing that work properly.
Hey, you called me and where are you going, man?
Bro, look here, bro. Just
Hey,
roaming
man.
around.
Oh, man. Just check in the drawer. Why are you taking me again to Kubera? Just check in some other places, man. Why are you checking here itself? Just use some tool to do that, man.
I can't do anything else. I'll just go and sleep. What is this? Like jelly. What could it be? I think it's oil. Brother, oil bottle.
What kind of bottle?
Oil bottle.
What kind of bottle?
Hey, fool. Abba. Sir, this is your house? Why fully empty?
Oh my god. My stomach got upset.
What is inside this cover?
Still they are finding.
What is this? Nothing is there. What happened? Why my plan is
Brother,
like this?
Give me away.
Hey. Why are you irritating me like this, man?
It's not
Now the cooling will be very good.
This also used.
Bro,
What?
orange fruit, bro.
Hey, keep
You
that
will eat, no?
inside, man.
That's why I
Shut
asked.
the fuck up and keep it.
Okay. Nothing is here. What is this? Hey, come here and search, man.
Hey,
Come
I
here,
am
I
your
said.
leader. Listen to my words. I should not go when he call because I am the leader, right? We should end up not like this. Hey, where is the door? I think I'm gonna get humiliated behind these gates.
Hello, excuse me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Putting AC, brother.
Shut up and sit down. You are the good guy who listened to my words.
Oh my god.
Hey, brother, come.
Go, man.
You idiot. Get up. Brother, come, brother. Let's go.
Brother asked me to sit only.
Hey, I got the money, I got the money, I got the money. Hey, this is money, man. I got the money. This is full of money.
Inside
There's
this
a
bag?
lot of money in this. Come with me. Let's go down.
Okay,
Come.
super, super.
Come.
Thank you, God, for everything. Keep silent. Come.
Hey, you thought
Brother,
it was a
give me the
right?
bag. I will save it here.
How is it this?
Give me. I will give it
No,
to
I won't give it to you right now. Okay, you just keep this safely,
okay,
man.
thank you,
Okay. Hey, come on, follow me. Let's get out from here.
Why are you giving to me?
Come on, let's go outside.
Come, let's go down first, then we can share that.
Careful.
Do not touch anything. Safe.
Careful, brother.
What is
How
this?
did he come here?
Our story is finished now.
Hey, what did you done, man?
Hey, how much medicine you gave?
Brother, I didn't put the medicine.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my God, everything
Hey,
is
don't
gone.
worry. I'll take care of it, okay? I am the leader. I will take care of him, okay? You don't worry, okay? Please be careful. Hey, what is your problem?
He slapped our leader. Today is over. What he is going to do?
Sir, here is the money, sir.
Give me the bag. Give me the bag, man. Hey,
Yes, come on, beat him. Come on, you can do that. Yes, give me the bag. Hey, fellow, give me. You scoundrel, give me my bag, man. Yeah. Give me the bag. Come on.
Come on, fast.
Give me the bag. Come on, just take it.
Hey,
Oh, you just take it. Yeah, you give the bag. Hey, nonsense, fellow.
Come on.
Hey, someone take the bag from him. Come on, hey, pull him out first. Then pull the bag out. Come on. Just close his mouth.
Okay.
Hit him.
Bagman.
Hit him nicely.
Don't hit me.
Hit him hard. Hey. Take the bag. Hit him in the mouth. Yes. Hit him. Yes. It's over. Hit him in the mouth. Nonsense. How many people like you I have seen in my life like this? Give me the bag. Give me, I say. Give me, man. You're a hero. You're trying to face the 5 people here. Huh? Just check whether he's died or not. Hey, you both get out from here. Hey, come out. I say come out. Come on, let's go.
Fast.
Come on, let's go.
Fast, bro.
Come on.
Come fast.
Hey, come out. Hey, don't be scared. Come on.
Come.
Wait, come on. Come. He will come. You just come first.
Hey, brother. Come fast. Come, bro. Come fast. Come.
Don't take anything. Clear all
Bro.
engines.
Come out.
Hey, lock the door from the inside and climb the wall, okay?
Hey.